In the ever-evolving world of technology, one company that has consistently been a trailblazer is Apple. From the iconic iPhone to the revolutionary iPad, Apple has always strived to provide its users with innovative and user-friendly products. One such product that has gained a lot of attention in recent years is the Apple Vision Pro. This advanced visual recognition technology was first introduced in 2016 with the launch of the iPhone 7, and since then, it has been continuously improved and integrated into various Apple products and services. In this video, we will take a close look into the user experience of Apple Vision Pro, exploring its features, capabilities, and how it enhances the overall user experience. We will also delve into the technology behind Apple Vision Pro, its use cases, and the potential impact it can have on various industries. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. What is Apple Vision Pro? Apple Vision Pro, also known as Apple's Core ML framework, is a machine learning framework that enables iOS developers to integrate advanced visual recognition technology into their apps. It uses deep learning models to recognize objects, people, and scenes in images and videos. This is made possible through the use of convolutional neural networks, CNNs, that are trained on millions of images to accurately identify and classify various objects. Apple Vision Pro offers a wide range of features, including image classification, object detection, face detection, facial recognition, and text recognition. All of these features, combined with the power of machine learning, allow Apple Vision Pro to understand and analyze images and videos better. User experience of Apple Vision Pro. User experience is an essential factor in the success of any technology, and Apple has always focused on providing the best user experience with its products. The same philosophy applies to Apple Vision Pro, and it is evident in the seamless integration of this technology into Apple's ecosystem. One of the main advantages of Apple Vision Pro is its accessibility. As it is integrated into the Apple ecosystem, users do not have to go through the hassle of downloading a separate app or signing up for a new service. This offers a seamless user experience, as users can simply access the feature from the native camera app or any other app that has incorporated Apple Vision Pro. Another significant aspect of user experience is the accuracy of the technology. Apple Vision Pro has been trained on a vast dataset and continuously learns from user interactions, making it highly accurate in recognizing and classifying objects. This accuracy not only enhances the user experience but also saves valuable time and effort for users. Moreover, Apple Vision Pro provides real-time feedback, providing users with instant results and feedback on their images and videos. This creates an interactive experience for users, increasing their engagement and making the technology more user-friendly. Features and capabilities. As mentioned earlier, Apple Vision Pro offers a wide range of features and capabilities, making it a versatile and powerful visual recognition technology. Let's take a closer look at some of its significant features. Image and object recognition. One of the most notable features of Apple Vision Pro is its ability to recognize objects and scenes in images. From animals and plants to common objects like chairs and tables, Apple Vision Pro can accurately identify and classify a vast range of objects. This feature has numerous use cases, from identifying ingredients in a recipe to assisting visually impaired individuals in identifying objects around them. Face detection and recognition. Another powerful feature of Apple Vision Pro is its ability to detect and recognize faces in images and videos. This feature has practical applications, such as unlocking the phone with Face ID and organizing photos based on faces in the Photos app. Additionally, it has security implications as well, as shown in the use of Apple Vision Pro for airport security, where it can quickly identify individuals on no-fly lists. Text recognition. Apple Vision Pro also has the ability to recognize and extract text from images and videos. This feature has countless use cases, from translating signs and menus to assisting individuals with reading difficulties. It can also be used for data entry, making it an efficient tool for businesses. Use cases of Apple Vision Pro. The capabilities of Apple Vision Pro have opened up a world of possibilities, and it has been integrated into various industries and fields. Let's take a look at some of its notable use cases. Retail and e-commerce. In the retail industry, Apple Vision Pro is being used to enhance the shopping experience for customers. It can be used for tasks like identifying and tagging products with more details, such as size and material, making it easier for customers to find what they are looking for. Additionally, it can provide personalized recommendations based on customers' browsing history, improving their overall shopping experience. Healthcare. In the healthcare industry, Apple Vision Pro is being used for tasks like identifying medical conditions from images and videos. For example, it can analyze skin lesions and identify potential health issues, aiding in early diagnosis and treatment. It is also being used in medical research to analyze scans and images, making it a useful tool for researchers. Education. In education, Apple Vision Pro has been integrated into apps and services to assist students with visual impairments. It can read textbooks and documents for them, making learning more accessible. It is also being used as a tool for interactive learning, such as identifying objects and animals in a science class. Potential impact on industries. With its wide range of features and capabilities, Apple Vision Pro has the potential to have a significant impact on various industries. The use of this technology can lead to increased efficiency, cost savings, and enhanced customer experience. In industries like healthcare and education, it can even have a life-changing impact, making tasks more accessible for individuals with disabilities. Furthermore, the integration of Apple Vision Pro into Apple's ecosystem has the potential to create a seamless user experience for customers, leading to increased customer loyalty and satisfaction. This, in turn, can lead to greater revenue and growth for businesses. Conclusion. Apple Vision Pro offers an exceptional user experience that is unrivaled in the industry. From its advanced features to its user-friendly interface, this app has revolutionized the way we perceive and interact with visual content. One of the key strengths of Apple Vision Pro is its seamless integration with other Apple devices and services. Whether it's the use of iCloud to back up and access images from different platforms or the use of Siri to make hands-free commands, the app truly integrates all aspects of the Apple ecosystem. Furthermore, the app's intelligent image recognition technology, powered by machine learning, provides accurate and fast results, making it a game-changer for professional and personal use. The ability to recognize objects and text in real time has opened up a world of possibilities for users, from creating compelling presentations to navigating the environment for those with visual impairments. The simplicity and intuitiveness of the user interface also deserve commendation. With a minimalistic design and easy-to-use features, even the most novice user can navigate the app with ease and enjoy all its benefits. Additionally, the app's accessibility features make it inclusive and adaptable for users with different abilities. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.